Hey guys, what's going on? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can close frozen apps or frozen games, program, whatever on your Windows 10. Okay, so you guys are not able to close your program directly, and you guys are not able to open up the task manager even. So today in this video I'm going to show you the fix for that. So before you even move to the next step, can you guys like this video? Let's aim for 20 likes. That will be really awesome. So let's move to the next step. So all you guys need to do here is press on Windows plus tab button on the keyboard and then click on new desktop. So I'm just going to be exempling right now. I'm going to close the Microsoft Edge for this video. So just go ahead and click on new desktop first and go to desktop 2, and you guys have switched to desktop 2. Now you guys can literally access everything here. So go ahead and right click on the taskbar and then click on the task manager. Now you guys have access the task manager, and now search for the application or game, whatever that you guys want to close it. So I'm just going to close Microsoft Edge from desktop 2. So just go ahead and click on end task, and it should be ended directly without any kind of notice. So to switch back to desktop 1, same thing, Windows plus tab, and you guys can close this desktop 2 if you guys don't want it to. And here you go, we are in a desktop 1 once again, and there is no Edge being open right now. So you can literally open up once again if you guys wanted to, just like this. So yeah guys, check out this playlist for more awesome videos just like this, and make sure to like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also join to my Facebook group AUXBuddy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next time. Peace.